it's me, Alina, and today I'm going to show you a little list of where we had been yesterday. You must have been thinking that wouldn't I show you about the Himalayas as I usually show? But no, the answer to this is no. Today I'm going to show you a little more I'm going to show you a little more west of where we had been yesterday. So we had been yesterday on Manali, and today I'm taking you a little southwest to that. Okay, but not the southwest of India. It's the northwest of India. Yeah, we are going to the state of Rajasthan, and which is filled with culture, etc. And I'm going to take you to Udaipur today. Okay, so let's start. You're excited, right? The places to visit in Udaipur is synonymous with grandeur, heritage, extravagance, and royalty. From royal architecture, serene lakes to delectable cuisine and colorful shopping centers, the royal city has it all. No doubt, the city is a heritage tourist destination and has been attracting tourists from all over the world to its lakes and palaces. Right here in this city, you will get to witness an eclectic fusion of what's gone and what's on. Udaipur's charisma has always been impressed with the loved birds, and that's why it is regarded as one of the most romantic destinations in India. Today I'll talk about 10 beautiful places in Udaipur. First, we have the City Palace, the magnificent sight. Udaipur City Palace, located on the banks of the river Pichola, not the river, the Lake Pichola, is one of the most romantic and Udaipur's famous places for couples. The architecture of this palace is splendid and is a testimony for the royal kingdoms of the Rajput dynasty. Known for its rich heritage, the beauty of the palace is a benchmark for many structures even to this date. It is one of the best places to visit in Udaipur in one day. Next we have the Jag Mandir religious place. The Jag Mandir palace is built on a lake on an island in Lake Pichola and is known for its beautiful interior and grand style of architecture. The intricate structures of the marbles are the key attractions of this place apart from majestic views of the lakes from the palace. Famous for its serene boats ride and the grand solitude of the temple, the Jag Mandir is definitely among the best places to visit in Udaipur in 4 days. Next we have the Fateh Sagar Lake, Seril Lake. It is one of the best places to visit in Udaipur, Rajasthan. Fateh Sagar Lake is one of the most beautiful lakes in Rajasthan. It consists of 3 islands and each one has well-maintained public parks that can be reached through a boat ride. It's a good place to spend the evening as the view of the city gets better when the sun sets at the horizon. If you are on a short visit at this among the places to visit Udaipur in one day. Next we have the Sahilio Ki Bari, beautiful garden. Built by Sangam Singh, Sahilio Ki Bari is a large beautiful garden located in the north of Jaipur. It is known for the pleasant lotus pool, marble elephants, excellent architecture, fountains, and the beautiful garden located by the Fatehpur Sagar Lake. This garden is also famous for its lush green lawns and marble art amidst the dry state of Rajasthan. It is one of the best places to visit in Udaipur. Next we have Bagor Ki Haveli, the oldest Haveli. Bagor Ki Haveli is one of the oldest Haveli located close to Lake Pichola. It is a home to one of the most popular galleries exhibiting Rajputana heritage and history. The Haveli is known for its antique monuments and is especially famous for the exhibits of the world's largest turban. You will enjoy yourself to the fullest at this one and one of the most interesting Udaipur tourist places. Next we have the Vintage Car Museum. Automobiles are beauties. Are you fond of antique cars? While in Udaipur, don't miss out this Vintage Car Museum. A perfect day out for the people who love to admire the beauty of antique heritage cars. The museum is inaugurated in 2000 and people visit this place to know about the history of the automobile beauties. This is one of the best places to visit in Udaipur, Rajasthan. Next we have Lake Pichola, prominent site. We have been talking about this around various temples actually, and today we will talk about this. Okay, now right away. One of the first things to notice once you enter Udaipur is a magnificent Lake Pichola. The setting of this lake almost takes you to a surreal movie-like environment. A lake which consists of four islands: Jagmandir, Jagnivers, Mohan Mandir, and RC Vilas. Taking a boat cruise around the freshwater lake during sunset is the most blissful and relaxing things to do in Udaipur. Next we have the um, the Haldi Ghati. History enthusiasts, this place should be one on your list to visit Udaipur. Haldi Ghati is a mountain pass in the Aravalli range that connects the Ratsamand and Pali. It is one of the places where the famous battle of Haldi Ghati between Rana Pratap Singh of Mewar and Rana Mansingh of Amber took place in 1576. The place gets its name from the yellow color of sand, which looks like turmeric. You can see in the picture. Next, Chittorgarh Fort, architectural marvel. Between the Mauryan rulers in the 7th century, this fort is a huge structure and the architectural marvel that is secured with several gates. Chittorgarh Fort history is one of the most talked about this fort for its splendid architecture. The fortification lies 1112 km away from the main city of Udaipur and is a true embodiment of the pride and chivalry of the Rajput in the Mewar kingdom. Also, the Padmavati Palace in Chittorgarh Fort is not to be missed. So this was our video guys, and thank you for watching it. If you like this video, smash the like button and don't forget the subscription bell. Movies are coming soon, guess the names. Thank you so much. Bye.